How to add a button to Proloquo2Go. Step 1. Find the Proloquo2Go app on your device and open to the home screen. Step 2. Make sure you are on the home page. Step 3. Select a folder you want to add a button to. We will add a button to the Food folder as an example. Step 4. Once in your selected folder, go to the bottom of the page. You may need to scroll down for some folders if there are already a lot of words. Step 5. Now, find and tap the pencil symbol on the bottom right side of the screen. Step 6. Select the plus symbol on the page where you want to add a button. Step 7. After selecting the plus symbol, type in the word you want to add in the text-to-speak line. We will type in the word apple as an example. Step 8. After typing the word apple, you will then be given choices of different images you can put for the word. Step 9. After typing the word and selecting an image, go to the upper right corner of the screen and tap Done to save your new word. Step 10. The new word will now be saved and added to your device. Step 11. Have fun adding new and functional words to your AAC device.